Hello, hi, welcome to another new episode to Manoj Prabhakaran Talks. And in this episode, yes, I've come to a place out in Chennai which is called the EA Mall. And over here, there is some great models out over here at the back that you're seeing. It's called the KTM. So a great racing performance event is going to take place in Chennai. And in case if you're watching this video for the first time, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Manoj Prabhakaran Talks. And yes, and lot more interesting video content. Do not skip this video. Watch it continuously. Models that are currently available in the event are Duke 200, 250, 390, Adventure 390 and RC 200. So these are the kind of the models that are available in Chennai, which is happening at the EA Mall. I'm really excited to really be a part of this event, and also I just can't wait to experience in the track which is actually currently happening. I hope you're really going to love this episode. Mr. Joseph, who's the national champion racer. Let's see what he has to tell us about the event that is currently happening. Hi, Mr. Joseph.
Yeah, hi.
Thank you so much for your valuable time in participating in this episode. So over to you, Mr. Joseph. Please tell me about the event that is actually currently happening and about your years of experience.
So I'm Joseph. I'm basically from Gusto Racing Team. It's a professional racing team where we participate in national championship across the country. So I'm here to help riders who are coming here to participate first time for a test drive. Where they can learn how to go much faster and what is the potential of the bike, and also to make them feel comfortable while riding, and they can also try their maximum to see how the bike behaves and everything. So that's why I'm here. So we have list of bikes like Adventure and Dukes, RC 390s, RC 200 and everything. So each customers can come here, have a ride and see how the bike is, and later on then they can decide about purchasing and everything.
See, you heard that right? So whatever Mr. Joseph told, here I am also going to experience the same with all the kind of a KTM Duke that's been placed out in EA Mall Chennai, and I'm really excited to be a part of this event. And also he's also going to teach me another few more racing secrets, I would tell. But I'm not a racer, by the way. I am a huge car lover, I would say. So thank you, Joseph, for your time, and looking forward to probably drive on the track.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you. Mr. Joseph is actually giving riders out over here a great session in terms how to ride in the track and how to turn in the track. So basic information is actually being shared to the riders, whoever have been participated in the racing event out in Chennai, which is actually a kind of a very small track, I would say, which is arranged out over here at the EA Mall Chennai. Mr. Arvind, who has actually driven in the track. இங்க வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா வந்து நிறைய ரைடர்ஸ் ஆகட்டும், கஸ்டமர்ஸ் ஆகட்டும், many of them are coming and giving their own participation. And let's see what Mr. Arvind has to share his experience in the track. Hi, Mr. Arvind.
Hello, sir.
So please share me the kind of an experience that you had in this track.
இப்போ வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா கேடிஎம் யூசர்ஸ் வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா எந்த பர்பஸ்க்காக நம்ம வந்து இந்த கேடிஎம் பைக் வாங்கணுன்ற ஒரு விஷயத்தை வந்து எஜுகேட் பண்ணுறதுக்காக தான் இந்த மாதிரியான ட்ராக் பர்பஸ்லாம் வந்து இப்போ கேடிஎம் வந்து பண்ணிட்டு இருக்காங்க. ஸோ கேடிஎம் யூசர்ஸாக இருக்கட்டும், இல்லை ஃப்ரெஷ் யூசர்ஸாக இருக்கட்டும், யாராக வேணா இருக்கட்டும், இந்த மாதிரி அவங்க என்ன வெஹிக்கிள் வச்சுருந்தாலும் சரி, இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு ட்ராக் பர்பஸ் வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா அவங்களோட வண்டி என்னென்ன விஷயம் செய்ய முடியுன்றதை வந்து எக்ஸைட்டாக எடுத்து காட்டுறது தான் இந்த மாதிரியான ட்ராக். ஸோ வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இப்போ மோரோவர் பிகினர் ஸ்டேஜ்லேருந்தாக இருக்கட்டும், இல்லை ஐசிசியாக இருக்கட்டும், அவங்களுக்கு வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா அந்த லேர்னிங்காக தான் இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு ட்ராக் போகும். ஸோ இந்த மாதிரி பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இஏல இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு நமக்காக ஒரு ட்ராக் ரெடி பண்ணி ஸோ கஸ்டமர்ஸ் இருக்கட்டும், மோரோவர் யங்ஸ்டர்ஸ் தான் நிறைய நம்ம கேடிஎம் யூஸ் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்காங்க. ஸோ அவங்களுக்கு வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இது பெரிய பிக் பிளாட்ஃபார்மாக அமையும். கண்டிப்பாக பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இந்த இடத்துல நீங்கள் யூஸ் பண்ணுற ஒவ்வொரு விஷயமும் ஜஸ்ட் லேர்ன். அதே மாதிரி நீங்கள் வெளியில் போய் சொல்கிறதுக்கும் உங்களுக்கு யூஸாக இருக்கும். மோரோவர் நீங்கள் வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா நீங்கள் கண்டிப்பாக இந்த ட்ராக்கை நல்லா யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கிட்டிங்கன்னா உங்களுக்கு வந்து ஒரு நல்ல ஆப்பர்ச்சுனிட்டி. ஸோ மோரோவர் இனி வரப்போகிற நாட்களில் கண்டிப்பான ஒரு நிறைய செக்ஷன்லாம் இருக்குது. கண்டிப்பாக யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. வீடியோ பார்க்குறவங்களும் சரி கண்டிப்பாக கேடிஎம்மை பற்றி நல்லா லேர்ன் பண்ணிக்கோங்க, தெரிஞ்சுக்கோங்க. அதுக்கப்புறமா கேடிஎம் பற்றி நீங்கள் சொல்லுங்கள்.
I have here Mr. Manjunath, who's actually the area sales manager for Chennai, I would say. And let us see what he has to tell me more about the event. And in the event வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா வந்து ரொம்பவே வந்து நல்லாவே போயிட்டு இருக்கு. But maybe Mr. Manjunath has lot more insights to probably share. So I'm really excited. Hi Mr. Manjunath.
Hi, how
Thank
are
you
you?
so much for your valuable time. I'm good. How are you?
I'm good.
Great. So please tell me more about the event. Actually, the event is actually going really good. Thank you so much for your effort and overall team.
Yeah. So this is more about a safety features or safety training and so on, because see, KTMs are known as track machines. So what we do is, instead of giving a test ride on road, we have brought a national level racer here who's training all the people in terms of how to ride a bike. So இது என்ன அப்படின்னா, see நார்மலாக ஒரு ரோட்டில் ஓட்டுறது வந்துட்டு it is like if you do this kind of driving, it's called rash driving. So owning a KTM is not just for speed. It's about to learn about biking. So biking it's about racing, it's about traveling. So what we've got is just one kind of activity that we are seeing today. இது பார்த்தீங்கன்னா it's called track and test அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம். Track and test என்ன ஆகும் அப்படின்னா, where we bring in prospects who are yet to book a bike or yet to buy a bike. We give them a bike, we teach them how to ride a bike. So this is one of the activity. So இது மாதிரி பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, once a customer comes into the KTM family, we got a lot of activities. Like once we got a lot of tours, we got adventure trainings, we got track trainings. So இது மாதிரி we've got national level பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, there's three tracks in India. One is Curry, one is Put, and one is Chennai. So இதில் என்ன அப்படின்னா, so we hire a track for one complete day. We bring in experts from national level racers கொண்டு வந்துட்டு we train them how to ride a bike in the track. So அந்த மாதிரி we are doing a lot of efforts wherein you can talk about wherein it will not only just the owning a bike, but the experience in terms of owning a bike, ride from track or travel or tour, you name it, we have it. So this is a process where you become from a normal rider to a pro rider. This is what we are doing in KTM as of now.
Oh, that's so much great. You've given us a great insights about the overall KTM. I mean the look and the feel and overall. I think Makali KTM lovers out over there. So I hope Mr. Manjunath கொடுத்த நிறைய insights எல்லாமே வந்து I hope it would have been really interesting. And in case if you are planning to buy any of the KTM bikes, so that's all you need to follow up in terms coming inside the KTM family. And thank you so much for your valuable time, and it was really great myself being a participant in this show.
Thank you, thanks for coming.
Thank you so much. I hope you really liked this episode. For me, it was actually a really great event out over here in Chennai, which actually happened at the EA Mall in Chennai. Oh my God, the event was super fabulous. I got a lot of info from the racers, from the customers as well. And as you can see, I have the great bikers out over here and the customers who's actually had a great chance to experience in the very small track. And in case if you like, don't forget to like, share and keep subscribing and keep following me throughout. Lot more interesting video content on the way, and that's all I have in this interesting video. Until then, this is Manoj Prabhakaran signing off. And in case if you're driving, don't forget to wear your seat belt, and in case if you're driving a two-wheeler, don't forget to wear your helmet. Okay, until then, this is Manoj Prabhakaran saying bye. We love India.